Alright, so I've been having some weird knocking noises coming from the engine bay, and they happen every time I take the car or every time I drive the car, and they get really loud when I take my foot off the accelerator. So here I'm going to drive around and demonstrate, and hopefully you guys will be able to hear it. You can faintly hear it now. The frequency of the noise increases at increasing speeds. When I take my foot off the accelerator, it gets really loud, like right now. Sometimes when I shift gears, it becomes loud too, like this. But when I put the clutch pedal in, you can't hear it. Alright, turn it around. If I go a constant speed, the sound fades and kind of goes away. But again, when I take my foot off the accelerator, like right now, it's really loud. I put the clutch pedal in, it goes away.